Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ezekiel Akingbola. Today I have something very special I would like to show you. I'd like to show you how to make money using your WhatsApp status. Many of you have your WhatsApp status. I know you post these pictures, birthday pictures and the rest, but today I'm going to show you how to make as minimum as 1,000 every day on your WhatsApp status. It's going to blow you away. Just watch this video from the beginning to the end. I'll be showing you all the tricks, and if you stay tuned, if you subscribe to this channel, I'll be showing you in subsequent days how to build your contact list, because that will determine how much you can make even as you earn using this particular platform I'm going to be showing you. If you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly smash the subscription button and let's have fun together. Thank you very much. See you at the other side. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Without further ado, let's move into the video. Like I said, I'll be teaching you how to make money using your WhatsApp status. You know, many of you have a product you're selling, many of you don't have a product you're selling, but whichever the case is, I'm going to be showing you how to use your status to make money. All you need is to have at least 50 WhatsApp status view. So once you do that, then you are good to go on this particular one. So let's go and make money on WhatsApp. Now the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be checking the website for today. The website for today is www.dgart.co. You can see it already, dgart.co. So on this website there are different things available there. It helps you to be able to do some tasks. Once you can perform any tasks that you are being given, then on that task you are just going to be paid for performing that particular task. So let's look at what the website has to offer us. Now this is where we are going to be registering, and this is where we are going to be logging in. But before we do that, let's quickly move around the website. Creative and strategic digital marketing agency, that's DGArt. We all want to get our businesses to the right customer and advertise, and our advertising can do that. DGArt is providing you with a flexible but affordable means of promoting your business. Even you can advertise your product with them. You see that? So by working hand in hand with the industry leading brand, we help redefine the possibility and potential of DGArt digital engagement. For some of us, we want to earn a little extra income with DGArt. You can even make up to 1,000 naira daily just from doing some very simple tasks on social media and performing other promotions. And what even better is that there is no fee attached to the registration. What are you waiting for? So we are not waiting for anything. We are going to be registering straight forward. So please stay and watch this video to the end, because there's something very important I would like to show you on this particular video. All right, so you can take your time. I don't want this video to be too long, so take your time, go through all these different things here. How to increase your YouTube subscribers, your likes, and every other thing. So let me quickly show you how to register. So you come here, click on the registration. You can use your phone for this. So if you don't have a system, that's not a problem. So you can register using your phone. So let's quickly carry out a quick registration. So here we go. Now you come down here, username, create a username, phone number, email address, put in your email address. What again? Create a password, your bank name. I'm going to be using the first bank account. I don't mind you sending me something through my bank account as well. So sorry. So this is supposed to be my bank name. So you cut this. Let's put it here. And your bank name. My bank name is this. Okay. So you click on register. Okay, here we go. Our account has been created successfully. So let's log in and see what they have to offer us very quickly. Okay, let's log in with our username and password. Log in. Okay, log on successfully. Continue. So now this is very important. This is where we are going to be talking. Now your WhatsApp view, if it's within 30 to 50 views, I think that's the minimum views you get paid for. So within 30 to 50 views, then you can insert your details. All right, so we've done that, so what we're going to be doing next is to check out this option. We have the tax opt-in. For tax to perform, click here to get an opt-in to available tax. User manual for understanding the operation in DGArt, click here to download. Tax submission for tax that has been performed, click here to submit to that. So I just opted in to the tax available. So available promotions that I have are just the YouTube, CPA, YouTube and CPA. So there's no tax available as at now, but what you can do is come on, let's check out the recently concluded, recently closed promotions. Look at them. WhatsApp. Look at it here. You have 100 naira per promotion, 100 naira, 100 naira, 100 naira. So imagine having to do at least 10 of this in a day. That's 1,000 naira. Bam. All you need to do is just post on your status and then you're good to go. So it's as easy as that. Once you are done, you submit, you come here, you submit your tax here. I'm going to show you how to do that quickly. Let's take one of the tax and do it, and we submit. These are the details you have in here. So for Optin, you have 10 GGT, view promotion, professional web design package, 5,000 naira, Optin YouTube subscription, 5 naira, view promotion, Canada guide ebook, 1,000 naira, open. So let's opt in for one of them. Which one should we go for? Let's go for this. I think the money is very high. Let's go for that. It's going to look very nice. Very important for WhatsApp tax, it must be on status for a minimum of 18 hours before you take a screenshot and submit. For WhatsApp tax, you earn 2 times if you are among the top 3 with high number of views in your view category. No multiple accounts. If you can't perform a tax, opt out. No further submission or trying to play smart. Click on the arts image above, below before submission. Try reading tax instruction and follow it. Failure to adhere to always leads to account deactivation, hence losing all earnings. So I believe that is clear enough. So let's look at what they have for us. So I'm going to be promoting this. Get Elementor Pro Premium, blah 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 blah. So this is what I'm going to be promoting. So guys, I think you are getting it. So once you go through the instructions, you copy. These are the link. This is the link for this particular ad. So I copy the link and I come here. So this ad you might not have, depending on the kind of contacts you have. So they might be interested in something like this. So you can pick a particular tax that is as good as this. Then you promote it and you make your money very fast. I want to go back so that we can see other ads option that they have. Let's see this promotion. Let's see this particular promotion. Opt-in subscriber. Let's check in this. Successful, you are required to perform this promotion within 24 hours to avoid 24 hours of opting into to avoid cancellation. So for this, let's look at what it contains. The same instruction we had the other time. So let's look at the tax details. So fill in the form by subscribing required. Okay, so all you have to do is subscribe. Once you subscribe, then you're good to go. So link 1, copy this link, you paste it in a new tab. Let's go to the YouTube channel. There are many stuffs like this. All you might be using is your data. Just do it for some few minutes. Then you subscribe, smash the subscription button. So subscribe. So I compare them with what the scripture says. Make sure that I'm doing it right. And from there, I can have some deep understanding. So let's take a screenshot of that. Look at it here. So on your keyboard, you can, if you're using your phone, you can take a screenshot. But I'm using my my system, so I'll screen grab it, print screen. I'll screen grab it. I'll change it to JPEG. Let's put it on CorelDRAW and JPEG it very quickly. I'll fast forward all these sides so that it will not bother you. Okay, so here we go. Change this to landscape. Put this here. Okay, so let me JPEG this very quickly. Put it on desktop. Then let's go and upload the tax. to show that the tax is done already. Okay, so let's make upload of that very quickly. So here we are. So I come here, choose a file to upload my task. Come to desktop. I think I say with QQ. Okay, this is it. Let's upload that. That's upload. Then submit tax. So success. That's all, guys. So it's very easy to do. That's one of the tasks. I've done that. Then it's loading. So it's going to confirm the tax later on to show that I've actually done it. So you keep doing that. Once you keep uploading. Now let's take a note of this. Let me take you back and show you some other things. Now let me show you something here. How you can actually make money withdrawal. How can I make withdrawal? So you can make withdrawal using the free account. Your DGT would be converted to bits depending on the number of views you have to Naira. For every 3 promotion tags you perform, max of 100 Naira, and the Naira can then be withdrawn to your personal account. I believe that's clear. So that's how you make withdrawal here. So your DGT that you make, at least if you have 3 of them, then with that you can be converted to maximum of 100 Naira. You can't have more than 100 Naira depending on the number of DGT you are going to be having. Do you understand? So can I earn more? Let's look at what they say. They say yes, you can earn more DGT. Some promotion tags you perform would make you earn more DGT. You see, that's very cool. So what is DGT? For those of you that don't get, it means DGArt token. So for each token that you make, 3 token will give you maximum of 100 Naira. So why was there reduction in DGT? So that was, though there was a high, it was higher before. So for every 3 promotion tags you perform, an amount of DGT would be moved from DGT wallet to your Naira wallet, maximum of 100 Naira. So that's just for information. So you are free to go through all the other details and make withdrawal. So you can make withdrawal here, amount to send, username and email. So you can transfer your DGT token, your DGArt token, all through. So I believe you guys get this. So you can make sure here I'm going to be filling all my details later on. So once you fill all your details, then from there you can start making money using DGArt. So there are some other tags too you are going to be going through. Those tags you'll be able to, let's check for some other tags here. Okay, so I've done just one tax and it's pending. They've not actually confirmed if it is accepted or rejected. So once that is done, then I can move on and complete the tax. So you keep performing each tax, then from there you'll be able to keep making money. So guys, I hope this has been very helpful. I don't know, so as many people as possible that you can share this with, please kindly share this video with them. You don't know how you can help them, so at least you subscribe, no matter how little you are. So no matter how many tasks you perform in a day, so imagine making 1,000 every blessed day. That's around 30,000 at the end of the month without you stressing yourself. So this is very easy to do. So more than what I've done, I want you guys to go through this website, DGArt.co, and exploit and do better. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel if you have not, and expect more videos like this in the subsequent session. Thank you very much, and God bless you.